Hello there. Welcome back to grade 10 business studies. In this video, we want to look at a question of paper one. And this is the question that we want to look. So we want to look at question one of that question paper. And our first part reads various options are provided as possible answers to the following questions, and then choose the answer and write letter A to D next to the question number, that is 1.1.1 to 1.1.5 in the answer book. For example, you give an example of 1.1.6, and then you put your D on the presentation that you're going to make in your answer book. Then on the first question, 1.1.1, it reads that 4 basic management tasks are. So you've got our responses that we are given there. So I'm going through all the responses. You'll see that C is the correct answer that we have there. So we are going to indicate our C as the correct response that we have according to what we are given. So we have our C as the correct answer. Then we move on to the second question, 1.1.2. Dash are people who have unlimited wants and needs to be satisfied. But you know that consumers is the correct answer that we have there. And we've got consumers at D. And then we have got to move on to the next one, which is 1.1.3. The environment that includes local authorities, regional, and the central government. So A, we have got global environment, B, legal environment, C, institutional environment, D, technological environment. So the correct answer that we have there, which is that is institutional environment. Then we got 1.1.4. This the ability of a product or service to satisfy a specific need. So you would see that we are given quality, B, quantity, C, quality assurance, and D, quality control. So it's that the most appropriate answer that we have there is quality. And we know that quality can be defined as a standard of a good measured against other things of a similar kind. So that really explains what we have in 1.1.4. And also we also have a quality assurance, which is not correct. And we know that quality assurance is the process of determining whether a product or service meets a specified requirements. So it doesn't match what we have in 1.1.4. So we've got quality as the correct answer that we have there. Then we got 1.1.5. It reads a payment where money is exchanged when goods or services received. So obviously, when we receive goods or services, we pay cash. So obviously, cash is the most appropriate answer that we have there. If you look at the choice that we are given, you've got instrument, cash, credit, and then cash with order. So correct answer that we have there is cash. Then we can indicate our B. Then we go to the next part of our questions according to this video. So if you go to the second part is 1.2, which reads complete the following statements by using the word or words or abbreviations in the list below. Write only the words or abbreviations next to the question number, that is 1.2.1 up to 1.2.5 in the answer book. Then the first part is 1.2.1. It is transports goods from the firm to consumers. And we know that this, according to the response that we are given production, CPA, world capital, tertiary sector, borrowed capital, intermediaries, LCA, purchasing, secondary sector, CBO. So according to the responses that we are given, you'll see that tertiary is the correct answer that we have there. So here we can just indicate our tertiary. You can indicate our tertiary as the our correct. So you see that other activities that are involved in tertiary besides our transporting that is explained in this statement, we see that we also have an issue of storage, communication, and also services are provided by banks, and then trade also falls under tertiary. So we go to 1.2.2, agents or brokers which facilitate the transfer of goods and services, and we know these are intermediaries. So we are going to indicate intermediaries here. Intermediaries. So and we know that intermediaries, they are go-betweens or mediators that come in between. That is really being explained by agents or brokers which facilitate the transfer of goods and services. So you go to 1.2.3, the function that is responsible for processing raw materials into semi-finished goods. And we know that this is production. So you see that we have got our production here. So we are going to say production here. Then we go to 1.2.4. This promote and advance the social and economic welfare of consumers. And we have got the CPA, we've got the CPA that we have there, which is the Consumer Protection Act, and we know that it protects all individuals or persons and small businesses. And usually it protects with our for those individual persons or small businesses with assets or turnover which are less than 2 million. So, but basically, according to explanation that they are given there, we would see that CPA is the correct answer that we have, which is uh, Consumer Protection Act. So we have got CPA. Then the last one is obtained from financial institutions in exchange of interest. And according to the responses that we are seeing there, you will see that borrowed capital becomes the correct answer that we have. So here we have borrowed capital. So this comes to be the last question that we have according to this video. Thank you for listening. Let's subscribe and share. Let's share the link to all our colleagues who are doing grade 10 business studies. As for this video, I'm signing out. We'll meet again in the next video.